In pool, like in real estate, I know all the angles. I'm Maria Chavez with Record Real Estate. Call me.
As a home seller, can you benefit by making your home available as a public open house? The answer is yes in many cases. Whether you're selling cars, tiddlywinks, or houses, you stand a better chance of making a sale faster the more people see what you are selling. Letting your agent show your house in a public open house gets more people to see it. According to Inman.com, many real estate websites list homes with open houses first when a consumer searches their site. And according to the National Association of Realtors' 2013 profile of home buyers and sellers, driving through neighborhoods is a top activity of buyers. If they see your house is open, they'll stop in. For buyers, open houses represent a major source for information in their home search. And as a seller, make sure you walk through your home with your agent before conducting an open house. Stage it for sale. Clean out the clutter. Work on the curb appeal. And as a buyer, ask the realtor lots of questions. And imagine how the house could work as a home for you and your family.
Do you ever play darts? It's a fun game. In darts, you have to be on target to hit the bullseye. It's the same in real estate. Hola, I am Maria Chavez of Record Real Estate. I service home buyers and sellers all over the Puget Sound. When selling a home, if you are not on target with your asking price, it won't sell or it will sell for too low of a price and your customers will lose money. If you are not on target with your offer on a purchase, your clients will lose out on a house they want. Trust me to hit the bullseye for you. Call me. Thank you.